So I got to tell you the story. I was over at Stan's house. You know, my buddy Stan, we're business partners, and so we were talking about business and about like a what our next project was going to be or how it was going to go. And a lot of times I've got my ideas, and so we were like button heads. And so after a while, actually a short time, then it's like, we started competing for who's right or who's wrong or something like that. And it got to the point where we started raising our voice and all that. And then he's like, George, hold on, just hold on. And he went and he took out his phone, and he took out his phone and he started like reading some stuff off it. He's like, okay. And he brought me through this like a 3-minute customized meditation or manifestation. So it's like I closed my eyes. He says, all right, close your eyes. And then he had all these different things that he went through about take a deep breath, hold it, and then exhale. And I was really uptight at first, and then shortly after being uptight, I calmed down, and I could notice it, and I was listening to what he was saying, and it's like, hey, put your hand on your heart, listen to your heartbeat, because a lot of times I can feel my heart beating and the blood going through. But what was really kind of cool about this is after this 3-minute, because he customized it to me. He had my name in there. He had what my desires, what I wanted, all these different things. And at the end of the 3 minutes, we had a kind of a conversation, and I just sat there and we talked. And it's like, now, George, do you notice that you're in like a much better, calmer mood? I says, absolutely. And so that was a really cool thing. And from that point there, we actually decided that we want to do custom meditations, guided meditations for other people. And so that's what this whole video here is about. So if you would like a custom-made meditation that's for you, a guided meditation about what your desires are, what you're trying to accomplish, maybe your business that you're in, all these kind of things there. There'll be a questionnaire, some kind of link down there. Go check it out, fill it out. We'll get this right over to you. And for right now, we're not charging anything. Now that might change if we get really swamped. But for right now, we're just, the guided meditation works just so good for me that we want to try it out on other people. And we know that everyone who has been successful meditates somehow. We all have problems. We all have all kinds of things. It's the holiday. All kinds of stuff's going on in our life. So guided meditation can help. Give it a try. My name's George. Thanks for checking us out. Have a fantastic day. Bam!